Hello everyone. Today's weather is very good and the sky is cloudy. So I'm going to talk about in this video how can we improve our English at home alone. You know that English is very important for us and English is an international language. And you also know English is necessary for all kinds of business. Whether you are a student or teacher or shopkeeper or as a simple man, you are living your life. But English is very important for every kind of people who are living here, in this world. So friends, if you are at home and you are alone at your home, then you can improve your English by following some tips like as number 1, read English stories more and more. Learn vocabulary, learn word meanings. Set your schedule for learning word meanings daily. If you learn 10 words daily, then within a month you will learn 300 words within a month. Okay, this will to say that vocabulary helps you to making sentences, and very easily you can translate the Hindi sentences into English, because with the help of word meaning anyone can make understand to the other people what you are saying to the people, what do you want to say to the people. This can be done by the help of vocabulary. Number 2, watch English movies and do the conversation with your friends, with your parents, with your children. And if you are a teacher, then you can do the conversation with your students in the classes or in other fields. Number 3, if you are at home alone, then you can use the newspaper for English improving. Read the English newspaper daily. Reading newspaper helps you in learning new words, and you can improve your English with advanced level. And number 4, writing. Write in English. Writing in English is very important for beginners, because while you write on any topic in English, you will learn many words regarding English. This is a simple way, because when you write in English, you will click your mind and new words will click in your mind. And number 6, you can make the conversation with your children. You can make the conversation with your friends. You can make the conversation with your relatives, and help your English speaking book, whether it is simple or at advanced level. Or if you don't have any English speaking book, then you can buy from the market, or you can watch movies in English on YouTube or regarding English grammar. Number 6 or 7 basic tip for you: if you are at home, read English grammar rules. Read English grammar rules and apply in your English speaking. If you have the power, if you have the knowledge of English grammar, then you can easily translate the sentences into English, because grammar tells us how can we make the sentences, how can any language say, how can the words say, how can you or we or I understand to the people in English. Because